In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz with triggers in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a slide where clicking an answer shows instant feedback, making your presentation more interactive and engaging. Start by setting up a question slide. Type your question at the top, then add your answer choices using either shapes or text boxes. The key is that each choice must be its own separate object, because triggers attach to individual shapes or text boxes. Simple rectangles with text centered inside work well, and keeping the sizes consistent makes the slide look clean and easy to read. Next, add your feedback objects. Create two small text elements that say something like correct and wrong. Style them so they stand out when revealed, then hide them behind other elements on the slide so they aren't visible at first. You can tuck them behind a background shape or graphic that covers the area where you want the feedback to appear. The goal is for them to start hidden and only show up when clicked answers trigger them. Select the feedback object that says Correct and go to the Animations tab. Choose Add Animation, then pick Appear or Fade. Either is fine. Fade gives a smoother look. Open the animation pane so you can control when this animation plays. In the pane, click the drop-down arrow next to your animation and choose Timing. In the Timing dialog, go to Triggers and choose Start Effect on click of. From the list, select the shape that corresponds to the correct answer choice. This ties the correct message to that answer, so it only appears when the right option is clicked. Now repeat the process for your incorrect feedback. Select the wrong object, add the same Appear or Fade animation, open Timing, and under Triggers choose Start Effect on click of for each wrong answer shape. You'll add a separate triggered animation for each incorrect choice so that any wrong click brings up the wrong message. When everything is set, run slideshow to test the interaction. Click the correct answer and confirm that correct appears. Click any wrong answer and check that wrong appears instead. If something doesn't show, double-check which shape you selected in the trigger list and make sure the feedback objects are truly hidden at the start. That's it. You've built a quick, reusable quiz slide powered by triggers, perfect for training sessions, classrooms, or interactive briefings.